Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forex coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the USDJPY. But before we start to break down this chart and this currency pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice, but we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as a trader and to help put some extra money in your pocket, especially in these troubling times. Okay. So before we get started before we dive in on what's happening on the chart, let us first discuss what is happening with each of the Forex pairs, starting with the JPY. Now we're coming into the latter part of this trading week with the JPY still remaining as one of our weaker currencies, and this is solely due to the lackadaisical attitude that the Japanese government is taking to combat the inflation suffering being suffered upon the Japanese economy. But taking a lackadaisical attitude is almost a good proper approach to kind of deal with this, because if you start to treat your inflation too aggressively, try to treat it too aggressively and too fast, what you're going to end up doing is going from inflation and drive the economy into a recession. So I can understand why they're taking that approach. It's just the only thing that's suffering from it is its continuing weakening of the Japanese yen currency itself. So this is the approach they're taking to stop a recession from happening and to keep inflation, and to combat inflation. Now with the USD is coming into the part of this trading week still as one of our stronger currencies, but it's starting to lose its trajectory on the strength that it has gained from by the speed that it has gained, and also it is starting to stagnate in its trajectory of strength as well. And which this is just due to we've been having a lot more negative news coming about the USD than positive news coming out about the USD, and due to this is this a slowing in the trajectory of its strength, and due to the slowing of the trajectory of its strength, it is starting to behave as weak, even though it's still classified as strong, which it makes it prime for retracement on the chart. Okay, so as we can see, price was going up, then it started coming down, and then we went down and we started to come up some. And there's three different scenarios in which this could play out. We could continue to go up a little bit more, another 20, 30 pips to make some more time record all-time highs, or we could stagnate from this position here and just start to range out, or we could range out and drop from this position, with the latter scenario being the more likely one. We're looking like we're going to just stagnate. I mean, we're going to range out from this position here, stagnate, range, kind of the same thing. But we're going to range off from this position here and then drop to here, here, or here. Okay. Now, as we're dropping, we are going to have some moves to the fundamental long position. But remember, these drops are only going to be for the short to intermediate term, and the long term position. The long position is still the long term position unless we start to get drastic changes in the fundamentals between the USD and the JPY. Possible, very possible. Probable, not too likely. Because anything's very probable, very possible. Probable is not too likely. Okay, so remember, for the short to intermediate term, we're still going to have drop in price, and for the long term, we're still going to be going into our long position. Okay, hope this information was helpful for you guys. I ask that if you guys enjoy our content, to please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribing to our YouTube channel allow you to get up to date information on every time we drop new content. Also, please like and share our videos. Liking and sharing our videos help pushes our content out there. It helps pushes our content out there so we can get and continue to grow our community of profitable traders. And also, if you guys have any special charts that you guys want broken down and go from stock to Forex to gold to crypto to anything that you guys want broken down, please let us know and let us know what chart that you want broken down so we can break it down for you and know how best to accommodate and to serve you. Okay, you can contact us by leaving a comment in the video that you do watch, or what you can do is reach out to us via email or through our various social medias. The links to our email social medias is listed in every description of every video. Okay, please let us know what type of market analysis videos you do want so we know how to best accommodate and serve you. Okay, with that said, happy trading.